So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to add tags on BigCommerce. So the first thing you want to do is open up your BigCommerce panel. You can see right here home, orders, products, customers, storefront, marketing, analytics, apps, channels, as well as settings. So through here go to products, click on the drop down right here. You can see all products, add, search, import, export, and so on. So let's go to all products. So on here you can see the product right here, like samples that I give you, and we're just gonna edit through there so I can show you on this example. So just click on edit. From there it's gonna open up something like this. So now you can see there's quite a lot of stuff that you can edit, like categories, SKU, weight. Then you can see the description, images and videos. You can see the videos, product identifiers, and under pricing you can see here default price. It says excluding tax, and after the tax class it says default. You can just click on this and you can see non-taxable, shipping, gift wrapping. So you will need to put it in a specific tax class. It says here choose the tax classification for this product. Class classifications allow you to charge certain types of products, and you can even set them up through settings, which would be all the way here. And through there you can go to tax, so your own tax rules and recommended services. You can set it up through there, and you can even install some apps which will give you uh, the easier path to create tax services, and you can even create them through there. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on BigCommerce or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.